I'm going to pull the fire alarm. I better run for it.
Oh my god, it's a fire drill. I better run for my life. Hey, wait up, wow.
Hey, wait up.
Alexander, how dare you pull off the fire alarm? That's I. You are expelled. Go home now.
Alexander, how dare you pull up a fire alarm? That's it. You are grounded for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 3, 8, 7, 3, 9, 5, 0, 9, 8, 7, 4, 6, 9, 8, 4, 9, 8, 4, 6, 4, 8, 7, 9, 8 years.
Now go upstairs to your room now.
Why do I get grounded a lot?
Thank you for grounding Alexander.
You're welcome.